हेलो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग यूजिंग टी टेस्ट, but here we are doing it for the paired data. Now the paired data means actually the data is of the students and this is their serial number, but this is the pre-test score and this is the post-test score of the individual students. Now why I am saying this is a paired data, because this is the record that is Sham. So he is having 32 marks here and 96 marks. The same individual is having different marks in different exam, which is natural. Sheetal is having 16 marks here and 78 marks here. Now this data is a pair data because the data is for the same individual here in this case. Okay, so here there will be two questions again: whether the students perform better in end semester examination, that is post examination, or is there any significant difference between the performance of the pre-test and post-test. Now both goes in one tail and two tail test using the t-test in Excel. Now here we have to apply again the data analysis tab, go to this, but here I will be using the paired two sample test like this. Now here the data variable range 1 is this up to this, then for variable 2 the range is this. So this I have selected. Okay, labels are included in my data. So this is D and this is E. Output range I will write Excel right here, sorry, say here. Okay, so it has written the statistics for the t-test in. Now this, if I highlight it with bold and little more so that the things are visible. Now here you see the mean variances, number of observations were 30 here. Now here you see the value is again multiply it with 100. So this one, so here you see there is a significant difference now. Okay, the same is here also. Maybe it is one tail test or two tail test. So you can say even here also you can randomly, otherwise you can guess from the data itself that the mean over here is 33 and the mean here is 76. So there is a significant difference in the performance of the students in pre-test and post-test scores. Okay, so this is how we can perform the hypothesis testing using t-test for the paired data. Thank you so much.